I'm Katherine Penny. I'm a senior at Indiana University. I was a cheerleader ever since I was about 8 years old. Later on in life, it started to get more competitive, and I think I love that aspect of competing and trying to be the best that I can be.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I was at a game. I was doing this round off into a stunt, and it was the moment of where I had finished the round off, and once I landed that before going into the stunt, I had felt the tingling go down my arms, down my legs, and then my fingers started to get numb. I was like, what the heck is going on? I told my back spot, my bassist, I was like, hey, I just want to let you know, if I'm, acting weird or whatever, it's because I'm feeling this tingling down my whole body. And I actually woke up and I couldn't move, and it was just this weird feeling I had in my neck. I had asked my trainer, I was like, hey, something happened, and I don't know, this pain isn't going away. He recommended me to get an MRI and to see Dr. Wohlfeld.
When Katie came to see me, she was a referral from IU Athletics. She was an IU cheerleader, and she began having neck problems. Imaging had been done that showed that she had a disc herniation in her neck. The consequence of that was that it was compromising signals that were going to her body. The concerning thing was how much pressure this was causing on her spinal cord and nerve roots. My concern was that if left untreated, that it could lead to worsening problems and possible, progressive loss of function, even paralysis. So disc replacement really seemed like a good option for her. We wanted to give her the best chance of maintaining, flexibility that's important for a young athlete.
Cheering at IU has allowed us to work with IU Health, and that is awesome because it enables us to feel like we are in good hands.
Over the last 10 to 15 years, the technology for replacing a disc and preserving motion has, greatly improved.
After surgery, I feel really good. I'm not worried. All that feeling and fear is gone, and I'm able to look forward to my future. While I am finishing up my human biology BS degree, I'm currently working at the IU Health Bloomington as a medical scribe and expanding my knowledge in the medical field.